Good morning, boys and girls. For our fluency activity today, we're going to be working with the number 6. So remember, our fluency activities are set up for you to do something quickly and correctly. It's nothing new. It's something that we've already done. And it's just kind of keeping it fresh in your brain and making your brain realize how quickly it can figure this out. All right, so I am looking at my set of 6 here, and I can quickly see two parts. What are the two parts you see quickly? Yeah, you see a 5 part and a 1 part. So I know on my number bond I can say 5 and 1 are 6. How about if I draw a line here? What parts do you see now? Yeah, you see a 4 part and a 2 part. We could make a number sentence like that, saying 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, let's try one more. One more. Okay, let's try another line. How about here? All right. What are my parts now? Say, hey, Mrs. Hannigan, you have a 2 part and a 4 part. Kind of like up here. Right, we can still just switch it. Remember, reverse it. 2 plus 4 equals 6. All right, so either get your whiteboard or a piece of paper and a writing tool. We are going to get ready for our application problem. Okay, boys and girls, so for your application problem, what you need to do is divide your paper or your whiteboard in half by drawing a line. Okay, did you do that? Good. All right, so listen, here's what you're going to do. Now, if we were at school and it was April, we would be going outside for recess right now. So we're going to pretend we're outside for recess. So at recess, there were 17 children playing. 10 children were chalking on the schoolyard ground, and 7 children were playing jump rope. You're going to draw the students to show the 17 as 10 students chalking, just 10 students, 10 stick figures, and 7 students jumping rope. All right, so 10 students, 7 students. So press pause and go ahead and do that. Okay, so here's how my drawing looks. I said I have 10 students over here and they are chalking. And then I have 7 students over here and they are jumping rope. So we can just say we have 10 students here, 7 students here, and 17 students all together. Great job. I like your stick figure, people. All right, get ready for our learning goal. Okay, boys and girls, happy Wednesday. Our learning goal for today, we're in Module 5, Lesson 4. And our learning goal, help me read it. Ready? You know those words. I can. Describe. Describe, yeah, remember, or tell about. Yeah, tell about. Numbers. The. Say. Almost looks like our sight word says, but it's say. The say. 10 way. The say 10 way, okay? We were working on the say 10 way on Friday when we were doing those exercises on Zoom. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to look at a teen number and we're going to figure out the two parts, the say 10 way. Are you ready? Okay, so you need just your eyes, your voice, your brain. You got them? I know you do. All right, ready? Let's go. Okay, so I'm seeing some 10 frames. I actually see one 10 frame here and one 10 frame here. All right, so we're going to think about the teen number, okay? We're going to think about a teen number. A teen number, okay? I'm going to start filling in some dots on my 10 frame. We're going to find out what our two parts are in the teen number. All right, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why do you think they call that a 10 frame? Yeah, there's 10 boxes in it. So if all the boxes in a 10 frame are filled in, how many are in that 10 frame? Yeah, there's 10 in that 10 frame. So we're going to say right now we have 10. One of our parts is 10. Let's count on to get our whole teen number. So we had to say 10, 11, 12, 13. So our whole number, if we were saying it the regular way, we would say, ooh, we have 13 dots, Mrs. Hannigan. Let's count how many are just in this part. 1, 2, 3. So we have 10 as one part. And what's the other part? 3. So the regular way to say it is 13. But we're practicing the say 10 way. Saying it the say 10 way is 10, 3. What is it? I don't think I heard you. Can you be a little louder? Yeah, 10, 3. That's our part. 10, 3 is the say 10 way for 13. Let's try another one. So you'll notice I didn't erase my 10 because we're going to be working with a teen number and saying it the say 10 way. So that's kind of already done. All right, let's figure out what the second part is. All right, so let's just count the second part. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my parts are 10, 10, 5 is the say 10 way. Let's find out what number is 10, 5 the regular way. So we already know we have 10. Let's count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the regular way is 15, but the say 10 way is 10, 5. 10, 5. Let's try one more. Okay, your turn to tell me the say 10 way. So you'll notice I already did the counting for you. Don't take my word for it, though. Let's try it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yep, told you I had 17. Your job is to now tell me the two parts in it. Well, yeah, you already know the one part. What is it? Yeah, it's 10. All right, go find out the second part. Did I just hear you say 7? Yeah, our second part is 7. So when we say 17 the say 10 way, we say 10, 7. Can you push it out with your fingers? 10, 7. First push out 10. And then 7 the say 10 way. All right, I would do it, but I'm holding onto my phone so I can video this. But I know you can do it. All right, let's look and see what our problem set looks like. By the way, a few of you finished your exit ticket yesterday. I'm glad you did, but your exit ticket's for everybody. So remember, if you see an exit ticket in math or reading, make sure you use the microphone to tell me what the answer is. I'm not going to leave an exit ticket today, but I might leave one in reading. So you'll see you have some 10 frames. Okay, yours are side by side instead of being one under the other, okay? So what you have to do is you have to draw 10 ones and then some more ones to show the parts. And whisper count as you work and make sure you're whisper counting the say 10 way. So once you get past 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, and so on, right? Okay, so you'll see. Like for this one, you're going to fill in your 10. And then here it says you have 10, 7. So 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7. And here I know some of you would say, oh, easy breezy lemon tweezy Mrs. Hannigan. Yep, so you're just looking at your 10 frames over here, counting them the say 10 way, Say 10 way, not the teen way. Say 10 way. And matching it to the say 10 way in the oval on the other side of the paper. So drawing a line, okay? All right, my smarty pants, go get 'em.